Contour surveyors in Greater Noida play a crucial role in the development and planning of land in the region. With their expertise and knowledge, they are able to accurately measure and map the contours of the land, providing valuable information for architects, engineers, and developers. These professionals use advanced surveying techniques and equipment to identify and document the elevation changes, slopes, and natural features of the land. By conducting contour surveys, they are able to create detailed topographic maps that are essential for various construction projects. Greater Noida, a fast-growing city in the outskirts of Delhi, is known for its well-planned infrastructure and urban development. The presence of contour surveyors in Greater Noida ensures that the land is properly assessed and utilized for various purposes such as residential, commercial, and industrial projects. These professionals work closely with town planners and developers to ensure that the land is developed in an efficient and sustainable manner. One of the key services provided by contour surveyors in Greater Noida is the identification and mapping of natural features such as hills, valleys, rivers, and lakes. This information is vital for understanding the natural drainage patterns of the land and for designing appropriate drainage systems to prevent flooding. Additionally, contour surveyors also help in determining suitable locations for roads, buildings, and other infrastructure by analyzing the contours of the land. SCON Design is a leading firm of contour surveyors in Greater Noida. With their team of experienced professionals, they offer a wide range of surveying services to meet the needs of their clients. From conducting topographic surveys to preparing contour maps, SCON Design has the expertise to deliver accurate and reliable results. They use state-of-the-art equipment and technology to ensure that their surveys are precise and detailed. Contour surveyors in Greater Noida are essential to the region's land planning and development. They can precisely measure and map the land's contours according to their experience and understanding, which is useful information for developers, engineers, and architects. These experts locate and record elevation variations, slopes, and other natural aspects of the terrain using cutting-edge surveying methods and tools. They are able to produce precise topographic maps that are required for various building projects by conducting contour surveys. Greater Noida, a rapidly expanding city on the outskirts of Delhi, is renowned for its carefully planned urban development and infrastructure. Greater Noida's access to contour surveyors guarantees that the land is correctly valued and put to use for a variety of reasons. In Greater Noida, contour surveyors are essential to the region's land planning and development. They can precisely measure and record the land's contours according to their experience and understanding, giving architects, engineers, and developers important information. The elevation variations, slopes, and other natural features of the land are identified and recorded by these experts using cutting-edge surveying methods and tools. They can produce precise topographic maps, which are necessary for many different building projects, by conducting contour surveys. Greater Noida, a metropolis on the outskirts of Delhi that is rapidly